back in sunshine on your skin, like you never even left my mind. I said, baby, what's been going on? You said life and but I'm holding on. Then you looked at me, smiled real wide, still looking good, sis. And I said, girl, I tried, but looking good ain't good enough. I'm trying to give them better, trying to glow in the rough. And since you're back in town, let's shut it all down. It's Friday, baby, let's come back round. Yeah. Ooh, girl, I'm so glad you
Today, we're talking about the thing makeup cannot truly fix. You can smooth wrinkles, you can hydrate dryness, but when your skin tone becomes uneven, foundation starts looking heavier instead of prettier. Those little areas that look darker around the cheeks, the mouth, the forehead, most people call them age spots, but they're actually something else. They are usually sun memory. Yes, your skin remembers years of sunlight, even from decades ago, and after 50, your skin renews slower. So pigment sits on the surface longer instead of shedding naturally. That's why the face looks dull, makeup looks muddy, and brightness disappears. So today we are not bleaching. We are gently helping the skin release dull surface cells and encouraging a brighter appearance safely. This treatment helps improve glow, soften the look of dark spots, and even skin tone, and make makeup look lighter and smoother. This is for you if your foundation suddenly looks orange or gray, you see patches on the cheeks, or your skin looks tired even after rest. It's easy to use. You just start with clean skin first. Apply a thin layer, not thick. We are encouraging gentle renewal, not suffocating the skin. Avoid the eyelids, but you can lightly apply under the eyes if your skin is not sensitive. Leave on 10 to 15 minutes only. This is important. This is a mild exfoliating facial, and you can use it 2 times a week only. Do not use daily. Do not leave on longer. Longer does not mean faster results. Overdoing brightening treatments actually causes the skin to darken because irritation triggers more pigment. And the ingredients that do this are very simple. You'll need 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, and you can add, if you'd like, a few drops of lemon juice. I am not adding that to this mixture today. Listen, the yogurt contains natural lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dull skin surface. Turmeric helps improve the look of discoloration and brightness. Honey keeps the skin hydrated while the renewal happens. And if you use lemon juice, it can enhance brightness, but sensitive skin should definitely skip this step. In preparing it, just add your yogurt to a bowl, mix in the turmeric, and add honey. And again, you can add lemon juice if your skin is not sensitive. Apply a thin, even layer across the face. Do not rub hard. And yes, turmeric can temporarily stain light washed clothes, so be sure you're wearing darker ones. And my friend Jill always reminds me that you can use the white turmeric powder as well. And I definitely have some on the way. Now you may feel a slight warmth or tingling. Gentle is normal. Burning is not. If burning occurs, rinse immediately. Rinse with lukewarm water using soft circular motions. Pat dry. Do not scrub. Then apply your moisturizer, and very important, sunscreen the next day. Sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. Now what you can expect after the first use. Your skin looks fresher, tone looks clearer, glow improves. After about 2 weeks, you'll see Spots appear softer, face looks brighter, makeup requires less coverage. Bright skin always looks youthful, even more than wrinkle-free skin. This is it, beautiful babes, for today. And check back tomorrow for day 18. You'll be glad you did. Bye.
Welcome back, baby. Let's pick up where we left off.